So this is what the rain did, which we will be working on once it gets dry. Getting a new drainage because it's a little ridiculous. Thankfully, AJ and Cayenne can still get to their house because we're going to build a new one at some point right over there where it's dry. And AJ and Cayenne though are having a good time. They're playing. But you can see the little pond down there is not a little pond anymore. It's flooded all the way over there. Almost to the fence line, but not quite. So we're hoping for a couple days of dry. Someone's trying to get our attention. Meatball, what you doing, little man?
You don't want no turnip drink. Okay, you get enough.
They're like, not when I know you got the good stuff.
Now I don't eat no vegetables.
If you put it out eventually, they'll eat it. Throw it out on the ground.
Come here, give me this up here, guys.
Jelly, you're not going to get your food?
You want some, sweetheart? Oh, you want that? Hey, don't be a bully. Don't be a bully. Don't be a bully. You want that? Don't be a bully. Come on.
Yeah, he's like, he's prepared to. Watch your butt, or technically your face.
Yeah.
He's gonna touch it. He's like, don't touch it. You're too close to my butt.
Uh-oh, she's got the phone out. We gotta quit doing everything.
Exactly.
Okay. Of course, I had to bury half of it. What's
What
up,
you got?
buddy? You want something to eat? Huh? You want something to eat? Looky there.
Who's a good boy?
You want to pick at?
Oh, shit, of course. Is it a banana? You gonna go get it?
He's a real nice.
She's
What's
a little
up,
turd.
buddy?
I throw down her food and she doesn't eat it sometimes.
You gonna
She'd rather
spit it
eat
out? So I want to see what else you got.
Nope.
No.
He's like, wait. Vegetables? This is snack time. Good boy.
Is that the good stuff?
Who's a good boy?
Is that the good stuff? You threw the peel out. You didn't want the peel earlier? Hey, he said, hey, I was saying.
He's my boy. Are you my boy? Are you my boy? Look at fur. Look at him. He's so handsome. And who is that? And who is that? Huh? Oh, are you being a turkey burger? Oh, everybody just got fed. See if we can see everybody. It's like an earthquake. Everybody's like, we got fed. We're gonna pass out now. Oh, and a fight. Did you want the attention? Is that why? Say, look, we're learning, Ma. What are you doing? This is Jelly. So he is an Angora. No, I'm sorry. I always say Angora. It is a cashmere. He's a cashmere something mix. We're not sure what the other something is. You can see him. He's just going to keep moving around. And so he actually will shed all of that fur or hair, I guess. And he actually changes colors because see where there's light brown and dark and light brown, all those actually is really dark underneath, and then a center white stripe. And you don't have to shear him like you would a sheep. You just literally he just literally rubs up against things, and it'll be everywhere all over the ranch once it's all shed. Sometimes you pick it out because I can't I see it like a little tufties, and you just kind of like grab, and I haven't tried brushing because it's so thick. What's crazy about it is that it is the softest, cleanest fur you've ever seen, no matter what he does. It's really impressive. So he's so cute.
Well, this is some of the flooding that we've experienced over the course of the last couple days with all the rain. Normally this area is pretty dry, and as you can see, it literally looks like another pond has formed on the property. You can see this is pretty much our area our property area that's not fenced in, that allows people to reach the back of the property, and you can see that it is retaining a good amount of water. Looks like we've had somewhere between 4 and 5 inches of rain over the last 2 days, so it's taken a toll on the land. You can see, this is one of the pens, at the areas of the pen that the pigs like to root up, but it is literally full of mud and water, so it makes things a little challenging out here when we're trying to get projects done and what have you. But at least going up the hill, these areas are pretty good. Right now, just walking the fence line to make sure there's no deficiencies or issues that we need to address. It's hard to look at sometimes because of what this water can really do, but so far we're looking pretty good. Nothing really affecting us yet. Now the rain keeps going like it's saying it's going to do, then we can assume that this lake here, pond, whatever you want to call it, will probably flood the land and may damage some of the fence. So let's pray that doesn't happen. So you can see this is AJ's, Cayenne's, and the ducks area. As you can see, hopefully all the water that we've taken on, it sucks because that's their lean-to, and luckily there's enough hay down to make it easier for them to walk. But all this water is from the rain, and it actually is helped by the fact that up on the main road there's no culverts or gullies for the road water to flow, so it naturally flows down behind our pond and wraps around the pond and empties out here. So it has caused this whole area to flood, which really sucks because it's all going to be mud, and with more rain anticipated over the next week or so, it's just not going to have a chance to dry and solidify or anything. You can see all the mud, different things like that, and so this definitely doesn't make for good walking weather for AJ and Cayenne. The ducks are loving it because it's more water for them, but for the other guys, they don't really need that much mud to be standing in.